The Camry Hybrid was completely redesigned in 2018 and features edgier styling, automatic LED headlights, 17-inch alloy wheels, and the fuel-saving benefits of a hybrid drive. From the back, the new Camry looks upscale with color-matched door handles, hybrid badging, tinted energy-absorbing window glass, side splash guards, and the large trunk offers plenty of luggage capacity for extended road trips. This sleek sedan looks sharp from the driver's side with color-matched mirrors with integrated signals and a contrasting black grille and trim. Inside the comfortable cabin, you'll find contoured heated seats, push-button start, dual-zone climate control air conditioning, power windows and locks, dynamic radar cruise control, tilt steering, and a 7-inch display audio system with Entune 3, Bluetooth, steering wheel controls, a backup camera, and energy monitor. There's seating for 3 in the back, plenty of legroom for passengers, and you can fold the seat backs down to carry larger items. Power comes from a combination gas-electric hybrid synergy drive system mated to a CVT automatic transmission and front-wheel drive. This beautiful Camry Hybrid is sure to impress with a wider, longer, and lower stance. Call today to book your test drive or stop by for a look. We're located on Leithhead Road in Kelowna.